been a little bit of rain in the old town. We're in Gilgandra. Still stupid to climb, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, there we go.
5 to 6. Yep.
5 to 6, and we are on our way to Cobar. Are you still the destination, I believe?
Yep.
Okay.
Cobar today.
Cobar today. Beyond tomorrow. And here we are with 2 Can Ams, which is the whole point. 1 and 2, so 676 and 677, one of the drivers, which is Nathan and Mark, who I'm travelling with. Yeah. So here we are, freezing out. He goes off on the way to Bathurst, but yeah, there you go. That's what we're doing it for. Should be great. So there might have been a little bit of rain in the old town. We're in Gilgandra. We're about 250k from Cobar. That's where we're headed for tonight. And yeah, so looking pretty good. Cobar. So what's the first thing you do when you roll into a country town? Yes, that's it. You fuel up, because you've got to make it to the next country town, or you know, several of them in our case. So here we are, and that's us finishing fueling up.